walkout by the opposition MPs. Late last night, Rajya Sabha cleared the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Rural Grameen Bill, replacing the 20-year-old Manrega law. The opposition, which staged a walkout and decided to protest, says the law was rammed through without consensus, without scrutiny of the standing committee, and with an intention to erase Mahatma Gandhi's name. In Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge reminded about the farm law agitation and asked if the government wants the repeat of a similar protest. He asked, does the government want people to sustain bullet injuries and die in protest? The Congress president and leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha then declared that people will come out on the streets, will face bullets, but will never support this law.
ये जनता के अधिकार छीन लेने का जो काम कर रहे हैं, आपको कल के दिन ऐसा ही एक समय आएगा जिस ढंग से आप 3 कृषि काले कानून को वापस लिए, तो ऐसा एजिटेशन आपको चाहिए कि लोग आपको गड़बड़ करने से, रास्ते बंद होने से, गोलियां खाने से यही पसंद है। उसी वक्त अगर आप ये करते हैं तो लोग मजबूरन रास्ते पे आएंगे, सड़क पे आएंगे, गोलियां भी खाएंगे, लेकिन इस कानून को सपोर्ट कभी नहीं करेंगे और हम लड़ते रहेंगे।
While Kharge warned of a farm laws like agitation, Rahul Gandhi, who is still abroad, took to social media platform X to condemn the passage of the new G Ramji bill. He accused the government of bulldozing the bill and then declared that Congress will not let the government destroy rural poor's last line of defense. He added that Congress will stand with workers, panchayats and states to defeat the move and will build a nationwide front to ensure that the law is withdrawn. Watch how Congress and TMC MPs protested against G Ramji bill after the Lok Sabha got adjourned Sunday.
The protest against the G Ramji bill is continuously going on, as you can see behind me these are the Congress party's Lok Sabha MPs who are marching towards Makar Dwar, holding the posters of Mahatma Gandhi. This is basically a silent protest, which you can see in the visuals as well, that they are just holding this poster of Mahatma Gandhi, giving out this message that the G Ramji bill, which is being passed in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, they are going to oppose it in the upcoming days as well. Let us go across to the member of parliament of the Congress party. Sir, क्या आप कहना चाहते हैं, आज आप लोगों की तरफ से प्रदर्शन किया जा रहा है?
नहीं, ये जो इन्होंने गांधी जी का नाम हटाया है और जबरदस्ती एक तरह से जन भावना के खिलाफ बिल पास कराया है, उसके खिलाफ में हम लोगों का ये मार्च।
सर, किरण रिजिजू कह रहे हैं कि नाम से आखिर क्या आपत्ति है, क्योंकि महात्मा गांधी के आखिरी शब्द भी है राम।
उनको महात्मा गांधी जी के नाम से क्या आपत्ति है, मैं उनसे पूछता हूँ। अगर वो कहते हैं कि हमको क्या आपत्ति, तो हम पूछते हैं उनको क्या आपत्ति है महात्मा गांधी जी के नाम।
So that you have heard that this was the statement given by the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP, Mr. K.L. Sharma. As you can see that these are the protest visuals, as Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also joined in this protest. Ms. Kumari Shelja is also joining us right now. Ma'am, ma'am, what's your take? Because the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju said that the last words of Mahatma Gandhi was also Hey Ram. Then what's the objection regarding this?
No, nothing. But then why do they want to obliterate Mahatma Gandhi's name? Why are they pitting Bhagwan Ram against Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi led this country to independence. Why are they forgetting that?
The Congress MPs have now reached Makar Dwar, and this protest is being led by the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP, Ms. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. On the other side, it is the TMC MPs who are continuously raising slogans against the government of India.
This government has got a deep angst against the leaders of the freedom struggle, because they come from a structure which was not involved in the freedom struggle. So they have this grave inferiority complex against those who led the freedom struggle. That's why they want to dismember their memory. That is why they have changed the name of the program, which is named after the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
The Trinamool Congress have been sitting on a 12-hour dharna. We started at midnight. Our dharna will go on till 12 noon. The Modi government is using bulldozer tactics to push through legislation. It is treating Parliament in a cavalier manner. It is not allowing any consultation with opposition parties. It has assassinated Mahatma Gandhi for the second time. The Modi government has assassinated Mahatma Gandhi for the second time, and it has also insulted Rabindranath Tagore, because as you know, it was Rabindranath Tagore who first bestowed the honorific Mahatma on Gandhi ji.
जिस दिन हम सत्ता में लौट के आएंगे, गांधी का नाम भी होगा और मनरेगा उसी स्वरूप में आएगी। यह हमारा वादा है, यह हम वचन देते हैं। मनवर हर किसी को ये उम्मीद होती है, आने वाले दिन पर जब नहीं सोचता तो दिन आता है, एक न एक दिन ये आएगा, और जिस दिन आएगा गांधी का नाम हम फिर लेकर आएंगे। ये हम आपके सामने कह रहे हैं। आपकी गोडसेवादी जो प्रवृत्ति है, इसको खत्म करेंगे।
I would like to tell Mr. Rijiju that you have removed Mahatma Gandhi's name from NREGS bill because your entire DNA is anti-Gandhi. You have used Gandhi when you want to, and you have abused Gandhi when you want to. So he remembers that Gandhi's last words were "Hey Ram." Then let me remind him that it is Godse who killed Mahatma Gandhi, the same Godse that the BJP leaders and many cadre worship. So this is absolutely outright insult to Mahatma Gandhi.
The opposition is rallying behind Mallikarjun Kharge's bullet remark. Some are defending it, some are backing the protest calls, and some are slamming the government for passing the bill without taking the opposition on board.
धरना प्रदर्शन करना, आंदोलन करना ये अधिकार है लोगों का, और एक कानून के दायरे में रह करके अपना कर सकते हैं, आंदोलन कर सकते हैं। लेकिन जिस प्रकार से ये बिल पास किया गया है उसकी मुखालफत मैंने भी अपनी पार्टी की तरफ से पक्ष रखते हुए की थी, और मैं चाहता था कि हमारे बापू जो महात्मा गांधी जी हैं उनके नाम से इनको नफरत क्यों है कि उनका नाम हटाया गया, और इसके अंदर की उस प्रकार की योजनाएं में बदलाव किया जा रहा है जिससे कि जो इस देश की मजदूर है उनके साथ में विश्वासघात किया जा रहा है।
सरकार को धमका रहे थे कि
ये धमकाने की बात नहीं है। आजकल तो हर चीज सबको लगने लगता है धमकी है। क्या धमकी है? ये हकीकत है। आप लोगों के रोजगार के माध्यम हटा रहे हैं, आप गरीब विरोधी अपनी रोजगार विरोधी सोच सामने ला रहे हैं। एक गारंटी स्कीम को खत्म करने की कोशिश करें तो लोग आक्रोशित नहीं होंगे क्या? तो वही आक्रोश है, वो आपको दिखेगा, सड़कों पे दिखेगा, सब जगह दिखेगा जिस तरीके से ये काम कर रहे हैं।
The bullet remark in opposition's larger protest warning has triggered sharp reactions from the BJP, with Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju and Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal slamming the dhamki mindset. Sample all the reactions.
सर खड़गे जी खड़े होकर कहते हैं कि लोग आपको सड़कों पर चलने नहीं देंगे। शिवराज जी को कहते हैं कि पुराने लॉज को आप इम्प्लीमेंट करें।
देखिए, खड़गे जी बड़े सीनियर नेता हैं, उनका अनुभव भी है। आपको किसी बिल का विरोध करना है तो विरोध के बहुत से तरीके हैं। धमकाने की अंदाज में विरोध करना संसदीय परंपरा का पार्ट नहीं है।
वो सब तो पॉलिटिकल स्टेटमेंट है, कोई मायने नहीं रखता, क्योंकि राहुल गांधी ने भी बहुत बार बोल चुका है ऐसा डायलॉग। पब्लिक का बीच में जो लोग रहता है उसको मालूम है क्या बोलना चाहिए क्या नहीं बोलना चाहिए। ये लोग चुनाव हारते जा रहे हैं इसलिए ये सब बात करते हैं। हम लोग मोदी जी और उनका पूरा टीम, हम लोग पब्लिक का बीच में रह करके पब्लिक के लिए ही काम करते हैं। जनता का सेवा में लगा हुआ है। जनता से वो लोग डरना चाहिए जो भागते रहते हैं और दूर दूर भाग की छुट्टियां मनाते हैं, लोगों का बीच में नहीं रहते हैं, उनको डरना चाहिए। हम लोग तो पब्लिक के बीच में ही रहते हैं।
Mr. Khadge has once again started giving dhamki of anarchy. This is their mindset. They talk about Samvidhan, but they only want to do Vyavadhan and drama like the TMC is doing. They don't believe in Samvidhanic process. They don't believe in parliament. And therefore, even during the course of the discussion, they stood up violently. They were trying to prevent the bill from being passed. They do not really care for the poor. They do not really care for the villages. They do not really care for the farmers. They only and only want to create dharna, drama and distortion.
Let's go across to Isha for more on this. Isha, based on the statements that have come in from the opposition, the government says, the BJP says that this is nothing but dhamki politics.
Right, Swati. Mallikarjun Kharge's statement is being interpreted in that way by the BJP. He has stated that there will be nobody, in fact, people will not adhere to this particular upgradation of this law, and they will come out in the streets essentially stating that it will be a similar circumstance like the farm laws created. But again, it's also important to note that this is an upgradation in the Manrega law. The Manrega law was definitely one of the most the flag-bearing scheme of the UPA-led government of the Manmohan Singh government. It is one of the most popular schemes of their time, and they are coming out and being protective about it. However, the question is that if we look at the minute details, and if we look at the detailing that the government has now brought in, it has only added to the law. It has not reduced any provisions. It has definitely brought in central funding as well. But earlier the limit used to be 100 days. Now the limit is up to 125 days. In fact, it's a pro-labor law is what is also now coming to the fore. We have seen a lot of politics peaking over it as well. We've seen TMC stage a dharna for over 12 hours. In fact, even in the night they were in the parliament stating that this is an this is something that goes against them, and the opposition was not taken in consideration, and the BJP wants to disrespect Mahatma Gandhi. However, Swati, when Vladimir Putin, the Russian president, was in India, one of the key visits for him was the Mahatma Gandhi Memorial. So if the BJP's intention, of the central government's intention, was to disrespect Mahatma Gandhi, they would have not taken him to they would have not made that a part of the Russian president's itinerary. So there are several clashing contradictions coming in as well. But when we speak specifically about the law, yes, it is an upgradation.
Isha,
in a lot
please
of ways.
stay on with us. We also have a reaction coming in from Chirag Paswan on the issue.
We are in a federal structure where it is a collective responsibility of the center as well as of the state. I think that responsibility has been highlighted in this bill. Also, the way they are opposing the name Ramji, I don't understand that. How can anybody have an issue with the name Ram? It was one of the most favored name of Bapu during his last few seconds. The only name that he had on his lips was Hey Ram. I think they're just making a noise over the whole thing without looking into the merits of the bill.
अब एक स्मार्ट विलेज बनेगा, इससे हर चीज इसमें बदली जाएगी। पैसा तो आज तक बहुत चला गया, पर उतना पैसा अभी नीचे लगा हुआ दिख नहीं रहा, इसलिए ये चीज, और ये पहली चेंज थोड़ी है। मनरेगा आज से 20 साल में बहुत, जब 25 साल में चेंज आती रही है, जरूर टाइम बदलते कोई समझ आती है, भाई ये चीज ऐसे कर ले, ये चीज ऐसे कर ले, यही है। और बापू गांधी जी, ये वाले गांधी नहीं, वो बापू हर के दिलों में है, दिलों में। आप इतना उनको छोटा करना चाहते हैं, अभी नाम से जोड़ना चाहते हैं।
And with that, we're slipping into a very short break. There's a lot more lined up on the other side.